The Canadian Tire Simoniz 2000. For me, they call it the hose reel kit, and it had burst. It says the XE15, but it goes for other models as well. Works perfect on this one. It's right here, just this hose right here. Real simple to change. I had followed the directions on how to winterize it, but a little bit, I guess it sat like this. A little bit of water stayed in here, and the seam on the side, it's hard to see anyways, but anyways, the seam on the side burst. And so 24, 25, 28 with tax, Canadian later, here it is. So anyway, it was real simple to change. Unwind the hose, crescent wrench, hold that with a 15 mil or what have you, or 2 crescents, whatever, you figure that out. That comes off real easy. This here, this side, there's this cap, 2 little screws, comes off. That just pops off in the bottom there. Washer, this slides right off, real super simple. And then in here, right in that spot, you're gonna see 2 holes, and that's the screws. You can see them, you figured out anyways. There's 2 little Phillips screwdriver head, the screws in there, and they hold on this little black device here. That just, you don't have to take the screws all the way out, just let them sit in there, unless you have a magnetic screwdriver. Anyways, that comes off, this pops right out, and then you just replace it. Simple. And then store it inside.